What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick unboxing of Nokia T20 tablet. So we will have a look on the device we got inside this retail box, all of the content we got in this box here, while talking about the design, build quality, hardware specs, etc. of the device, just like a usual unboxing video. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the image of the Nokia T20 showing the front and the back, Nokia branding, Android branding. This device comes in Wi-Fi and LTE model. The one we got here is the Wi-Fi version, and it comes with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. You will also find the 4 GB RAM and 64 GB variant in the market as well. On the back side, we got some of the hardware specs of the device and also showing the back, front and the side of the Nokia T20. So it comes with Android 11, and Nokia is also promising the future Android upgrades. It comes with 2K resolution, low blue light certified display. We got a stereo speakers, dual microphone with AI noise cancellation with Ozo audio. It comes with an octa-core processor, 8200 mAh battery and fast charging capability. So this device comes with 15-watt charging and a Unisoc T610 octa-core processor along with Mali G52 GPU. Nokia is promising to provide 3 years of monthly security updates, and the device comes with face unlock, and you will also get 2 years of software upgrade as well. It comes with a metal design and build quality, and the Google Kids Space and the Google Family link is also pre-installed. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Nokia T20 in ocean blue color. We got a USB Type-C cable, and here we got a 10-watt charger, and that's a bit weird because Nokia T20 comes with 15-watt charging, but in the retail box Nokia is providing only 10-watt charger. And considering the fact that it comes with 8200 mAh battery, it's going to take lots of time if we use this 10-watt charger, but this is what we got here. Here we got the quick start guide, lots of booklets, safety information guide, etc. And that's all we got. Here is a pin provided for the tray slot. Since we got Wi-Fi only variant, it means that this pin is provided to open the dedicated micro SD card slot. So inside the retail box of Nokia T20, you will find the Nokia T20 tablet, a USB Type-C cable, 10-watt charger, quick start guide, and this SIM card tray ejector pin. And here we go, the Nokia T20 in ocean blue color. So let's switch on the device. So we will have to go through this setup process first. So I'm going to finish it, and after that we will have a look on the device. And here we go. So the device setup is finished. So first of all, let's talk about the design. So here on the front side, we got a 10.4-inch display with 2K resolution. The screen to body ratio is 79%. So you can see that we got thick bezels all around the display. Here we got a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. On the left side, we got the power key, speakers. On the right side, we got the USB Type-C port, another speaker grill completing the stereo speaker system on Nokia T20. At the top, we got the volume rockers, dual microphones, and the dedicated micro SD card slot. On the back side, we got the Nokia branding, some regulatory information, the 8-megapixel rear camera, and the matte finish back panel is made of aluminum, but as you can see that it is attracting lots of fingerprints and smudges very quickly, and you will have to keep cleaning it time to time. The impressive thing about the back panel is that the camera module bump is nearly negligible. It's very tiny in terms of elevation from the back panel and gives a nice minimalistic appearance to the device. The Nokia T20 screen comes with a scratch resistant glass, but Nokia does not officially provide the information that what kind of glass we got on Nokia T20, whether it's Gorilla Glass or which variant, but still the relief is that it is a scratch resistant glass for sure officially. The device is just 7.8 mm thin and it weighs just 465 grams. So considering the fact that we got a huge 10.4-inch device with 8200 mAh massive battery, the device is still pretty lightweight and slim as well. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, Nokia T20 is quite impressive, especially if you're talking about the price segment, as we got aluminum back panel, a scratch resistant display, a dedicated micro SD card slot, and the device is splash resistant as well. Now talking about the display, it comes with a 10.4-inch 2K display with 79% screen to body ratio, so the PPI is 224 and the display is really sharp. If you have a look on these rocks here, also the splash of the water, you can see how nice is the display and it's looking really beautiful on Nokia T20. As we have already talked about that the display comes with a scratch resistant glass and the maximum brightness is 400 nits. So you can see this is quite bright here, but we will see how good is the display performance in outdoors in our detailed review of the device. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. If we go to the minimum brightness, that's quite low as you can see here. So you can use the Nokia T20 in low light situation without putting a strain on your eyes. And as you can see that it does not come with the flickering or the pulse width modulation that is a pretty common phenomena with majority of the devices these days. It also comes with eye comfort mode that turns the display into yellowish color, removing the blue light to give comfort to your eyes, especially when you are using the device at night. Now talking about the software, it comes with Android 11 and this is the home screen, and you can see that it comes with just stock Google applications. So we got the Google Assistant, we got calculator, Chrome, camera, photos, still a folder containing other Google applications when we got a bunch of them on the home screen itself. We got the Google Assistant as well. Here you can see that it comes with Kids space. We got the YouTube Kids and the Netflix is pre-installed on our Nokia T20. If you swipe from the left side, here the entertainment space will appear on the screen where you can use it for all of the movies, TV shows, games, etc. at one place, but you will have to log in into your Google account first. So I'm just gonna skip this part, clear all, and here you can see that we got 1.5 GB RAM available. So the device comes with 3 GB RAM, out of which 1.5 GB is available right after opening the box and using the device. And we will see how good is the memory management of the device in our detailed review as well as in our gaming review of Nokia T20. And if you go to the settings, here you can see we got a standard Google stock appearance user interface, and in storage you can see out of 32 GB, 9 GB is already occupied by the pre-installed ROMs and application. So the user available storage is 23 GB. So it will be nice to use a micro SD card to expand the storage on this device if 23 GB is not sufficient for you. And it comes with Android 11. The user interface is quite smooth as you can see. There is no lagging. The touch screen is also quite responsive. It's pretty nice here. And talking about the camera, we got a 5 megapixel front camera and 8 megapixel rear camera. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So we got 4x zoom, we got portrait mode, the panorama mode is available as well, and we got the video mode, under which you get the option to use the flashlight, and the 4x zoom is available for video recording as well. So I'm not going to test the camera here because taking picture is never the primary function of a tablet, but we will see how good it's going to be in our detailed review of the device. So overall, Nokia T20 is looking a great budget Android tablet because it comes with a 2K resolution display, huge 8200 mAh battery, pretty solid build quality with a scratch resistant display, splash resistant build quality, and aluminum body. It comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot and a stereo speaker setup with Ozo audio. Few drawbacks are that it comes with only 10 watt charger in the retail box even though the device is capable of 15-watt charging. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Nokia T20 like the gaming review, comparison with other tablets, benchmarking test results, etc. are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.